Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start by combining these two log terms on the right-hand side of the equation. And to do that, remember that log a plus log b is equal to log a times b. That means that we can add this as log 6 times 5 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2x. And of course, on the left-hand side, we have log 5 to the power 1 over x plus 5 cubed. Now, let us compare both sides of this equation. Here we have that log this is equal to log that. That simply means that 5 to the power 1 over x plus 5 cubed is equal to 6 times 5 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2x. Now, before we go on to solve this equation, let us do a substitution. Let 1 over x be equal to the letter d. That means that we can now write this equation as 5 to the power d plus 5 cubed is equal to 6 times 5 to the power 1 plus, now here we have 1 over 2 times 1 over x. And of course, 1 over x is equal to d. So this is 1 over 2 times d, which is equal to d over 2. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by 5 to the power 1 plus d over 2. When we do that, we have that 5 to the power d over 5 to the power 1 plus d over 2 plus 5 to the power 3 over 5 to the power 1 plus d over 2 is equal to, of course, you know that if you divide this by this, we have 6. Now, from our laws of indices, we know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So that means that we can write this as 5 to the power d minus 1 minus d over 2 plus, here we have 5 to the power 3 minus 1 minus d over 2 is equal to 6. And of course, we can write this as 5 to the power d is the same as 2d over 2 minus 1. Then we have minus d over 2 plus 5 to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So here we have 2 minus d over 2 is equal to 6. Now 2d minus d is equal to d. So we have this as 5 to the power d over 2 minus 1 plus 5 to the power 2 minus d over 2 is equal to 6. And once more, going back to this rule, we can write this as 5 to the power d over 2 divided by 5 to the power 1. And we can write this as 25, that is 5 squared, divided by 5 to the power d over 2. And this is equal to 6. Now notice that here we have 5 to the power d over 2 and here we have 5 to the power d over 2. So let us do a substitution. Let 5 to the power d over 2 be equal to y. Now with this substitution, we can write this equation as y over 5 plus 25 over y is equal to 6. Now to get rid of these two fractions, let us multiply through this equation by 5y. Y over 5 times 5y. 5 is going to take care of 5, leaving us with y times y, which is y squared. Now, 25 over y times 5y. Y is going to take care of y, leaving us with 25 times 5, which is 125. And this is equal to 6 times 5y, which is 30y. Now, rearranging this equation, we have y squared minus 30y plus 125 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of y squared is 1, all we have to do to factorize the left-hand side is to find the factors of 125 that add up to minus 30. And those are going to be, since this middle term is negative, then we have minus 25 and minus 5. Because minus 25 times minus 5 is going to give us plus 125, while minus 25 minus 5 is going to give us minus 30. That means that we can factorize this as y minus 25 multiplied by y minus 5 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either y minus 25 is equal to 0 or y minus 5 is equal to 0. From here we have that y is equal to 25, and from here we have that y is equal to 5. And of course, now that we have found the values of y, we go back to this substitution equation. We have that either 5 to the power d over 2 is equal to 25, or 5 to the power d over 2 is equal to 5. Now, you know that we can write this as 5 to the power d over 2 is equal to 5 squared. And now that we have the same base on both sides of the equation, we can equate the exponents. So we have that d over 2 is equal to 2. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 2, we have that d is equal to 4. Now, in this case, of course, you know that this is 5 to the power 1. So we have that d over 2 is equal to 1. Once more, multiplying both sides of this equation by 2, we have that d is equal to 2. And finally, now that we have the values of d, we go back to this equation to find the values of x. We have that either 1 over x is equal to 4, or 1 over x is equal to 2. Now, taking reciprocal of both sides of this equation, we have that x over 1 is equal to 1 over 4. And in this case, we have that x over 1 is equal to 1 over 2. So the two values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation are x equal to 1 over 4 and x equal to 1 over 2. And now, to check our answer, let us substitute these two values of x into the original equation. When x is equal to 1 over 4, we have log 5 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 3. Now, is this equal to log 6 plus log 5 to the power 1 plus, this is 4 over 2. We have log 5 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 3. Combining these two, we have log 6 times 5 to the power 4 over 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 5 to the power 3. Now here, notice that we can write 5 to the power 4 as 5 to the power 3 plus 1. Then we have plus 5 to the power 3. Here we still have log 6 times 5 to the power 3. We can factorize this. When we do that, we have log 5 to the power 3. Now, 5 to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 3 is going to give us 5 to the power 1. Then, plus 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 is going to give us 1. And of course, here we have log 6 times 5 to the power 3. Now, look at this. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, this is log 6 times 5 to the power 3. And of course, this is equal to log 6 times 5 to the power 3. So when x is equal to 1 over 4, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Now, when x is equal to 1 over 2, then we have log 5 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 3. And here we have log 6 plus log 5 to the power 1 plus 2 over 2, which is 1. Now we have log 5 squared plus 5 cubed. Combining these two, we have log 6 times 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Once more, we can write this as log 5 squared plus 5 to the power 2 plus 1. Of course, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here we still have log 6 times 5 squared. Now, once more, we factorize this. We have log 5 squared into, now 5 squared divided by 5 squared, of course, is 1. And 5 to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2 is going to give us 5 to the power 1. We still have log 6 times 5 squared on the right hand side. Once more, we have 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. So on the left hand side, we have log 6 times 5 squared. And of course, this is equal to log 6 times 5 squared. So once more, when x is equal to 1 over 2, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up and a comment to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can watch more videos here.